What's up guys, it's Dale from Ride Upload and we are back here at Thorpe Park. It's been a while since I've been here. It's been a while since I've done a video. So we're going to check out all the construction updates for Fright Night 2026. It's their 25th year of Fright Nights this year. And we're going to have a look at what they're doing in the launch pad for the late night events, which is starting very soon. Check out the dates that's happening. So we're going to jump onto the park and we're going to check out some updates. Let's go. So we're going to start down here at Vortex. Now Vortex has been closed for many weeks now. No one actually knows what's actually happened with it, but it has got test dummies in the seats. So hopefully we will see this reopen very, very soon. And for this ride here, well, it's just been taken off the app. We haven't seen it test in a very long time. Last time we did see it testing, it was sort of going halfway up, making a clunk and coming back down. So because these two rides are closed, they have completely fenced off this whole entire area. So you can't even get back down here at all. So this is going to be in preparation for Stitches, which we'll head round and have a look at in a second. Quantum there on a 20-minute queue. Pretty good ride that is. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see Rush get put on a better cycle, because at the moment that cycle just isn't very good. I think you literally get up to the top and do one full swing at the top and then that's about it. But let's have a look around here. So this looks slightly just can't really see much in there. There's not really much going on, but they're getting the flooring down inside there. But normally the entrance is here and it's sort of, they've closed it off. So could this be where the new maze is going? Or could this be, or is this Stitches returning in this location? Only time will tell. But what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Stealth in a minute. There goes Hyperia. Going to head over to Stealth and have a quick ride on Stealth. Let's go. So as we enter down here into the old area for Lucifer's lair. Now I don't think we're going to see Lucifer return, but could we see something new come into this area in its place? Or will this just remain like this now? Oh, you got Nemesis going up the left hill. Yeah, let me know down in the comments if you think anything new will come here and replace Lucifer's lair. Or could we see this be the new home to the crows? No one knows. Right, so we're now over here at Trailers. Now Trailers is returning for yet another year here at the park. So hopefully we'll see them do some new scenes and spice it up a little bit. Because it is 25 years of fear. So, but it is a shame we are getting all four mazes returning, because it would have been nice to have at least maybe 3 new mazes. Like Fright Night definitely isn't what it used to be, especially with the upcharged mazes. Or would it be nice to, as Platinum Pass holders, for all Platinum Pass holders to have free access to the mazes? That would be quite cool, but I can't see that happening. So we're now going to head round towards Stealth. So it's that busy here on Park. Nemesis has got its extension queue line open, but they must have only just opened because there's a big flock of people flooding in and the queue's not even round here yet. What the you are one disgusting pig. And I was recording that as well. So what's Nemesis saying? It's on 25 minutes. Not too bad. So he's going to head down here now towards Stealth. Guys, who's actually eaten in pizza and pasta this year? Because I've heard rumours that it could be its last year here at the park.
Doesn't look like it's too late in the day for people now.
We don't think we're going to get the new scare maze in the Rumba Rapids area or anything happening with Rumba Rapids. So it looks like it's just going to lay dormant now until next season. Could we see anything happen to it next season? Right, so we're now heading down towards Stealth, which is where Creature Campus was last year. Could we see the return of Creature Campus, or could we get a brand new show this year? Who knows? Stealth on a 25-minute wait. So I'm going to jump on this very quickly. Well guys, we have just come off of Stealth. I think we waited about, what, 10 minutes at max, even though it was advertising a 25-minute queue, which I think is really good. We had a very nice front row ride. It was awesome. Right, we are now going to head over towards Hyperia and have a go on Hyperia before going down to the area where Crows was and having a look at the new marquee that has been put down there. So we're just having a quick look around Purgatory, the new Big Easy Boulevard, which was the home of Purgatory Town last year. Could we see Purgatory Town return this year? I did find it very weak last year, but I know a lot of you really did like it. And will we see the return of it in the 4D cinema for the 3rd year in the row? Please hope we get a different movie. But yeah. Right guys, so as we head down towards Hyperia, they have moved the Toy Box Tavern bar over down here, which is unusual because you would have thought that would have been down by Stitches, so it may move back there a little bit later. We're going to go and have a go on Hyperia now. Do love this ride, but I'll tell you what's better though. Ride to Happiness. One of the best Mack coasters apart from Voltron I've ever been on. So we've got row 6 for our first go of the day on Hyperia. We've only been here about an hour. Didn't get here until about 4:15. It was really busy working today. There's Dominic Gardner and everyone. Well guys, that was a very good run on Hyperia. Very smooth. She's running very, very smooth. We did the bar trick where you hold on to the top of the restraints of the people in front of you. Maybe, yeah, here we go. Yeah, so if you hold on to like these bits here, it creates a whole different experience on the ride. Us living our best lives. Let's have a look, see if there's any new merch in the shop. So we've got these new travel cushions. They're nice, but I'm not sure if I'd personally get one. They do feel comfy. Still got the Hyperia sunglasses in at £12. Crikey, this jumper looks like it's shrunk in the wash. Back again for its third year here at Fright Nights. It's Deadbeat. Guys, who likes Deadbeat? Because I wasn't really a great big fan of this scare maze, but it's still a good lineup to have. Hopefully they'll improve it, because we've now got the new entertainment company that's taken over. So hopefully they'll put their own spin on all these scare mazes that are coming back this year, and it will be good. You got Samurai over there. It's actually doing really well this season. It's hardly broken down, and it is running one of the best cycles I've seen on it in a very, very long time. But now we're going to head over and do Colossus, because it's saying that it's on a 10-minute wait. Just a quick look at the new maze going up in the Old Crows area. Can't really see much because of the trees. We'll head over there and have another look in a minute when we come off of Colossus. Here's another look at the new tent that's gone up. Can't see anything. Can't see any props that they look like they're going to put in there, but that'll probably come in under the cover of darkness. Yeah, any speculations on what you think is going to go in this tent? Could this be where Stitches is this year? Or could the new maze be down where Stitches was? Who knows? Both tents are exactly the same size, so it's anyone's guessing game. Well guys, we are now heading into the launch pad, and well, it doesn't actually look that bad. We've got the sign here for the Palm Street Food Collective. Great big massive deck chair that you can go and try. Look, they've even got a set of swings as well. Who loves a set of swings at a multi-million-pound theme park, eh? And we've got all these different stalls that have come in as well. And they've got the staging up as well, which looks quite nice with the screen at the back. So we've got Chinatown over there. They've added in these like nice little pagodas you can sit under. And we've got the Mac Shack, Philly cheesesteak, churros, and the frozen cocktails and mocktails. All getting ready for summer lates here at Thorpe Park, starting soon. Right, we've got all these new bins as well with the Thorpe Park logo on them. Like, they've not done a bad job. It does look very strange. But could we see this area stay like this for Fright Nights and just change a little bit? Oh boy, looks like they need to fix their screen. Thorpe Park promoting recycling there as well. Alright, we're going to head over to the Swarm. So guys, we're now back down here at Swarm, and returning again is survival games. Guys, do you think it's time for this maze to finally go? Because last year I literally thought this was the weakest maze out of the lot. I do think it has had its time now, and it's time to change it up for something different. Alright, got Swarm going up in the lovely sun. So apparently Swarm is only on a 10-minute queue, so we'll head down there and jump in the queue and have a ride.
Any updates? Jonathan, are you able to hear me?
Oh, someone's lost their sunglasses. Guys, make sure you're keeping all your loose articles secured, and you've lost your hat as well.
Right, John.
And hang on, where is it? Someone's lost their croc as well. Why on earth would you wear a croc on this ride?
So you can get another one from McDonald's in a minute.
Panels kick off to the console.
This is it. There is no escape in the storm. Sit back, get yourself, and pray.
Bet you've never seen that before. Well, that was a very nice go on Swarm. Nice and smooth as usual. I do like that ride. A very nice winged roller coaster. Right, we are now going to head back over to the other side of the park, because we've got about 20 minutes to go before I need to leave. And then we're going to do Hyperia. So, come and join me as we head back over to Hyperia for our final ride of the day. Let's go. Right, here we go guys, we are back for our last ride on Hyperia. The queue only says 40 minutes now. So it's gone that quiet, they've completely closed all this end of the queue line. Guys, if you didn't know, go and give Cloud9 some love. They are the best stall on park. They do some fantastic food. Go and check them out. So we're having one go using the wrap pass, which my mate's got, and then for our last ride we're going to use our free fast track that you get with your Platinum Annual Pass. Wonder what road we'll get this time. You got row 10, guys. Right guys, so it's time for our final ride of the day. We are now going to be using our free Platinum Fast Track. Wonder what row we'll get this time. Hopefully we'll end up on row 1 for the end of the day, but I can't really see that happening. But it's anyone's guess. There we go guys, final ride of the day, row 6. It's our second time in row 6 today. Well guys, that brings the end to a couple of hours here at Fort Park. I've had a great time. I've got on pretty much all the major coasters. The only one I didn't get on was Nemesis. I didn't fancy walking back over to that from the Swarm on our way to do Hyperia. The construction on Fright Nights is looking very good, and the launch pad is looking all right for the late night riding coming up very, very soon. Right guys, don't forget to go and like and subscribe. It only takes 30 seconds to hit that subscribe button, and I'd very much appreciate it. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down in the comment section. Right, from me to you, I'll see you at Port Ventura in a bit. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.